Hi, so this is from on the deck in my Vermont place, and I'm trying out a new camera, camcorder that I'm going to use to shoot my kids snowboarding, and I'll probably do some seesmics from them too if they work out. So this is actually just a test, but we'll see. Let's see if I can get you to see my kids. I mean kids are sleeping. These are the dogs. Oh. Got a lot of snow up here. A lot of ice too. Tegan! Tegan! Hey Lou, what are you doing, bud? He of course had to come out and see. So there's property you can see. Let's see. It's thrilling stuff. I guess I don't want my finger in it. See how the zoom works. Hey, Tegan. There she is. Hey, girl.